Have you ever been faced with the problem that you are not able to catch any Pokemons in PGSharp? In this video, I'm gonna cover up why this issue occurs in PGSharp and how you can solve it. Firstly, let me give you a background on why this problem occurs. Whenever you catch a wild Pokemon on Pokemongo, it will trigger the cooldown. Meaning that after you catch a wild Pokemon on Pokemongo, if you decide to teleport to any location, then the cooldown will be triggered. If you go to the PGSharp website and read the rules there, catching a wild Pokemon is an action that will actually trigger the cooldown. After catching the wild Pokemon on Pokemongo, if you decide to teleport to any location by using the map function and tap on any location on the map, it will show you the distance along with the cooldown time associated with that distance if you travel there or teleport there. So for the demonstration, I'm going to teleport to one location here and then show you. So let me teleport to this location here which has got cooldown time of 5 minutes. After the successful teleport, now if you try to catch any Pokemons here, I'm sure that the Pokemon will run away and will not be able to catch. So in order to solve this kind of issue, we're gonna have to wait the amount of time that is shown to us in the teleport screen, that is in this case 5 minutes. So we're gonna have to wait 5 minutes and then try to catch Pokemon once again. I'm gonna come back after 5 minutes. So guys, 5 minutes have passed and I'm gonna try catching the wild Pokemon here once again and let's see what happens. As you can see here, the Pokemon has been successfully caught. So now as I have made aware what's the cooldown time and why you are not able to catch the Pokemons. In order to get rid of this issue in the future, what you're gonna do firstly is we're gonna tap on this star icon and then go to settings, scroll down, and we're gonna find the cooldown timer option and just enable it and tap on OK. Once it's been enabled, we'll get one cooldown timer widget on our screen. It will show you the amount of time that you have to wait in order to catch the Pokemons. Now whenever you try to teleport to any location on the map, it will clearly show you the amount of time that you have to wait in order to be able to catch the Pokemons once again. I hope I have made it clear why you are not able to catch the Pokemons and how you can solve this issue in the future. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel.